Hi, students. Logan Phillips here. All right, we've accomplished everything in our begin here, and we're down to our final assignment that's due before the WN date. And that's your student discussion board, student introduction. So let's go ahead and open it up, see how it's accomplished, do the assignment, and I'll show you how to modify, change, and what's to be expected here. So remember that these are accomplished in order. You have to accomplish or do each assignment or open them up, read through it before it opens the next thing. So we've done everything. We're now down to the discussion board. We're going to open it up. You can see here that we have all the information. I have to post a picture of myself, a little bit of background about who I am, my interest, reason for taking the course, degree enrolled at TCC, educational career goals for the future, and something unique about yourself. Now, the reason I ask these questions is so that I can actually see you, put some basic information to your face, and try to remember you as a student. So in the future, if you do ask me for things like a letter recommendation, I'll be able to piece together who you are. Because online courses are just simply not real capable of getting interactions. Now, once we open up the discussion board, we can go down below. It does say that you have to post a response to see everyone else's response. This means that you have to start the discussion to be able to do this discussion with other people. This today is closed, so let me exit this and change it. Give me 1 second. I'm going to edit the due date on this so I can actually show you how to do it. All right, let's go back to student view. And it's going to make me this again. Okay, I won't show it to you. There's a little link at the very bottom that shows you how to make the post. Once you make the post, you'll see everyone else's post. Go in there and talk to your fellow classmates. Not real hard. Picture yourself, a little bit of information. If you don't want to upload a picture of yourself, I completely understand. Some people are very concerned about that. Upload a photo that represents who you are, whatever you're into, whoever you are, whatever you see yourself as the best at. Whatever that photo is, just explain why that photo represents you. Give me something that I can put to you to remember you by. That's the goal of that assignment. All right, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Otherwise, enjoy.